Hello friends, so welcome back to my channel Mototech Wiki. We are telling about Harley Davidson Iron 883. So first of all, I will telling Harley Davidson Iron 883 specification, power and performance. Displacement 883 cc, max power 15.9 bhp at the rate 6000 rpm, max torque 68 nm 40 at the rate 4750 rpm, mileage ARI 22 km per liter, mileage owner reported, riding range 275 km, top speed 170 km per riding, and gear shifting pattern 1 down 4 up, cylinder 2, bore 76.2 mm, stroke 96.8 mm, valve per cylinder 2, compression ratio 9:01, ignition CDI, spark plugs 2 per cylinder, cooling system air cooled, and clutch fuel delivery system fuel injection, fuel tank capacity 12.5 liters, reserve fuel capacity 3 liters, emission standard VS6, fuel type petrol, brakes and wheel and suspension, front suspension 39 mm, shower rear suspension, coil over preload dual adjustable braking system, and dual channel ABS, front brake type disc, front and rear brake type disc, rear brake size 300 mm, and Kepler type, front 2 piston, rear 2 piston Kepler, wheel type alloy, front wheel size 19 inch, rear wheel size 16 inch, front tire size 100/90 B19 sorry, and front tire pressure, riding and below, curve dimension and chassis, curve weight 256 kg, seat height 760 mm, ground clearance 140 mm, overall length 2185 mm, overall width 850 mm, overall height 1140 mm, wheelbase 1515 mm, chassis type mild steel tubular frame, and the Iron 883 has the complete appeal of an American cruiser. Its 883cc V-twin engine has great low-end torque and a thumping exhaust note that further adds to the motorcycle appeal. Harley Davidson Iron 883 summary. After Harley Davidson discontinued its most affordable street models in India, the Iron 883 is now the stepping stone for the American bike makers. The BS6 iteration of the bike was launched a month before the BS6 deadline of 1 April 2020. The Iron 883 sticks to the Sportster philosophy and gets an understated and clutter-free design. The peanut-shaped tank gets a clean design with the manufacturer's name in bold lettering with a blacked-out exhaust frame and wheel. The use of chrome has been kept to a bare minimum. The front-based riding stance also complement the Iron 883's sporty character. It's get an LCD display in the instrument cluster which show the gear position, U and other details. A switch facilities scrolling through the menu on the display. As the name suggests, the Iron 883 is powered by an 883cc V-twin engine which produces 70 Nm of peak torque at 3500 rpm. A part of Evolution family of engines. These are air-cooled engine. It mates to a 5-step gearbox that transmits the power of the rear wheel through a belt drive built around a tubeless tail frame. The Iron 883 rides on the Continental telescopic front forks and dual springs at the tubular steel frame. Rear: the Iron 883 available in 3-4 paints scheme: black denim, river rock, and grey denim, deadwood green, and snake venom. Nevertheless, it's could do with better emulsion and front brake feel. Thanks to watching Mototech Wiki, and please subscribe the channel.